Let us see the next topic, applications of valence bond theory, by having four examples in this nickel. I mean here a CO4 tetracarbonyl nickel, that is zero oxidation state of nickel. So NiCO4, central metal atom is nickel 3d8, because the atomic number is 28. So 3d8 4s2 4p0. The outer orbital condition. So 3d8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So according to the Hans rule and alpha principle, everything to be applied here, filling one electron in each vacant orbitals, and then only the pairing will be takes place. That's what we have written first. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Next is sixth one here pairing, seventh one pairing, eighth one is pairing. Next 4s2 2 electrons. So here we should see the CO. It is the COCN and all. It has a very strong field ligand. So what nature of the ligand? CO is a strong field ligand. Strong field ligand means pairing will be takes place in a 3d and 4s electrons. So here this pairing, this single electron will get a exchange here. It becomes a para. So here outer orbitals, the metal ion presence of ligands in this 2, 2, 2, 2. This 4s electron is already, it is shifted here, it becomes a vacant. So this 2 electron will be shifted here. So 4s, that's what I have said, para 3d and 4s electron. So here 3d electron is exchanged and left out one vacant, so that 4s orbital is filled here. So now that vacant orbitals are 4s1, p orbital 3. So now the CO group, 4 CO group carbonyl groups are going and occupying s orbital 1, p orbital 3. So what the hybridization is called sp3 hybridization. So s orbital 1, p orbital 3. So the coordination number is 4. It is sp3 means tetrahedral. So no, I mean everything is paired electron. So it is called as a diamagnet. No unpaired is called means diamagnet. Paired electron means diamagnetic. Unpaired electron means paramagnetic. So the geometry is a tetrahedral and magnetic property is a diamagnetic. So mu s value is equal to magnetic moment, mu is equal to root of n into n plus 2 formula equal to 0. Next example, nickel and Cn 4 times the whole power 2 minus. So what tetracyanide Kc nickelate Roman letter 2 ion, because it is a anionic complex, it should say 8. It should be ended with 8, nickelate. So the oxidation state of nickel is +2 Roman letter 2 ion. So now let us discuss this nickel tetracarbonyl central metal atom nickel 28. So what it is on oxidation state, it carries a +2 valency, but in case of tetracarbonyl nickel valency is 0. So what we kept as it is the atomic number, but in this case of nickel valency is a +2 valency. So we should remove a 2 electrons, then it becomes 3d8 4s0. First we should write a nickel atom electronic configuration 3d8 4s2 4p0. In nickel 2 plus means removing 2 electron from s orbital 3d8 4s2 4p0. So in outer orbital configuration, 8 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 6, 7, 8 is paired. So now the ligand we should see, that is COCN, both are a strong field ligand. In the middle of the topic, I will say you the spectrochemical series of strong field ligand and a weak field ligand. Later on, I will explain you this with the sequences. So Cn minus is a strong field ligand. The pairing will be takes place. No electron in this s orbital. So what this it exchange? So it create a vacant orbital here. So the vacant orbital is here and here, here, here. So we are having only 4 cyanido group. So what 1 in d orbital, 1 in s orbital, 2 in p orbital. So the hybridization is dsp2 hybridization. Already I told you to avoid the confusion of tetrahedral and the square planar DSP. Policeman is standing and mean all the 4 roads meets. So what you just remember DSP. It's a square planar. So the coordination number is 4, geometry is square planar. Here no unpaired electrons, so all are a paired electrons, so it is a diamagnetic, so that is mu s value is also equal to 0. Next example, third example, FeCN6 the whole power 3 minus. So this is called a hexacyanido Kc. It is a ferrate Roman letter 3 ion because it is an anionic complex. The central metal ion ended by 8. So let us discuss this complex. So ion atomic number is 26. So what 3d6 4s2 we should write, and then from 3d6 4s2 remove 3 electron because it is a 3 plus ions. After removing it becomes a 3d5 40 4p0. In the 5 electron written 1 1 in each 5 boxes. Then cyan minus is the very strong long filled Lagrange. So pairing will take place. So this will exchange here and these two like that 2 2 will get it. So 1. So after exchanging all these, one will pairing up, it left out one unpaired electron. So what here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places we need because we have 6 Lagrange, 6 cyanido group is there. So what occupying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In D2, in S1, in P3. So the hybridization is D2 sp3 hybridization. So the coordination number is 6. So hybridization is D2sp3. So it is an octahedral complex. The number of unpaired electron is left out as a 1. So it is a paramagnetic. So magnetic moment we should have find out mu is equal to root n into n plus 2. So root of n into 1 plus 2 means the 1.732. So because 1 plus 2 is a 3 into 1, 3. Root 3 value is 1.732. Bm is a Bohr magneton, is the unit of magnetic moment. See, one trick is there. If the magnetic moment values are 1.7 or 2.3 or 3.5 or 4 point something, 8 point something means the whole number is belongs to the unpaired electrons. 1 point means 1 is the unpaired electron. 2 point means 2 is the unpaired electron. 3 point means 3 is the unpaired electron. 4 point means 4 unpaired electron. 5 point 5 unpaired electron. And later on, I'll tell you the tricks of the finding the number of unpaired electron by using this magnetic moments value. Next one is COF6, the whole power 3 minus. It is a anionic complex. Hexafluorido cobalt Roman letter 3. I mean cobalt Roman letter 3 ion because it is anion, central metal ion should be ended with the 8. So now let us see, this is cobalt 3 plus. So in this uh, iron is a 26 means cobalt is 27. So what we have to 3d7 4s2. From 3d7 4s2 remove 3 electron, it becomes 3d6 4s0. So 3d6 1 2 3 4 5, sixth one is paired. So it is vacant. So F minus is a weak field Lagrange. So very weak field means no pairings takes place. As it is, the place will be left out. We should go only these vacant places. So what we need here 6. So we need 6 places, vacant places. 1 4 is 3 4p and then 4d also it is a vacant. So it is occupying 1 in s orbital, 3 p orbital, 2 d orbital. So sp3 d2 hybridization. The coordination number is 6 for a octahedral. So here the number of unpaired electron is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the unpaired electron is 4. Definitely the magnetic movement will be a 4.89 is 4.9 bm. So 4 means I already told you if it is a 4 point means it is the unpaired electron is 4. It is 1 mark question. They will give only these values. They will ask you how many unpaired electrons are there. And limitations of valence bond theory. It does not explain the color of the complex and consider only the spin only magnetic movement. That does not consider the magnetic movement of the components. And it is a quantitative explanation why the inner orbital complex and the outer orbital complexes are having like that, that not giving any proper explanation. And for example, FeCN6 4 minus, it is a diamagnetic, it has a strong field Lagrange, it has a low spin, and F minus is a weak field Lagrange having the high spin complexes is not explained by this valence bond theory. Thank you, students.